Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to add friends on Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to add friends on Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, and after opening your Terabox app, you'll land on this interface, which is the home interface of Terabox. And after landing over here on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a message notification icon and a double arrow icon at the top right corner. Tap on the message notification icon at the top right corner of the screen and you'll land over here where you can see we are currently on the messaging tab of the Terabox, and at the top left corner there is the message and the friends button over here. Tap on the friends button and either tap on the add new friends over here or tap on the plus button at the top right corner of the screen. Whichever you do, it is the same, and you land over here where it says my word. Tap on the my word button over here, and over here you can see here it says copy this message, open Terabox and add me as a friend. The moment you tap on the my word button, that message will be copied. Send it to your friend to whom you want to add on Terabox, and the moment they open that link, they will be added on your Terabox as your friend. And with that being said, guys, this is how to add friends on Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.